She is not somebody who is small. She is an IPS officer. And if she is doing such act, who can we expect that law should be executed? I don't want to put allegation on the judge, but if you might...
No, if it has been done, then we'll not ignore that.
Highly grateful, my lord. How can a district court or a family court judge violate the SOP of the High Court? She was studying in Bilaspur. She has a different boyfriend. Then she came to Delhi. She stayed with me. Now in Bombay, she wants third person. My lord, we are telling Muslims that 3 talaq band karo. हिंदुओं की लड़कियां my lord 3 शादियां कर रही हैं. 3 FIRs I have faced in my life. They have even picked me from the home by the railway police, and I called 100 didn't responded me anything, nothing happened. There should be some procedural integrity. If fairness has to be done in the justice, for injustice also some fairness should be there in the reasoning of the court. There was no fairness.
Who is IPS officer?
Her sister, her father, both are IPS officers. I was silent from last 8-9 years. I was victimizing whatever she was doing.
What you are raising an argument,
Yes, my lord.
that is a very serious one.
Yes, my lord.
नमस्कार, लॉ एंड जस्टिस की इस नई वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है।
And from last date till today, my lord, they have not approached me for that I have given the Bombay jurisdiction option for them, and subject to the consent of the wife, she has not approached me for that Bombay jurisdiction. Despite giving open statement in the court, my lord, may come to the story that I have tried my level best to save the marriage, and para 20, I myself has said, since the wife was not ready, but it is not the right way to approach for the divorce, that you make a false cases against the complete family of the husband and you take them to bail and their career get stagnant, and even my father didn't get promoted. He retired without promotion, and even I am suffering because I can't appear in the judicial because of the, even I can't apply for the passports because of the criminal records which they have prepared for me. And not only one cases, 3 cases where I was not even present. The wife herself says that the inspector says that he was on the round and he found somebody on the street. The girl was DGP daughter will be on the street in the Raipur, and she was in the Bombay, and the FIR was lodged, everything was lodged. When I said that provide me the CDR, IP addresses are there. If I was the culprit, it could have easily come on the record. But they have prepared an FIR, and 3 FIRs I have faced in my life without doing anything, without even, I am a law-abiding person. They have even picked me on the 1st of January 2016 from the home, Boriakala, by the railway police. And I called 100 didn't responded me anything, nothing happened. They went to my house. It is on the record, my lord. She is not somebody who is small. She is an IPS officer. And if she is doing such act, who can we expect that law should be executed?
Where is that?
Yes, my lord, I will show the statement, my lord. I have a documents where I can show you then IPS officer, when she was an SP railway, giving herself inquiry by her own DYSP to inquire in the case, and that DYSP says that Boriakala, there are so many houses, we cannot identify the house. So the statement given by false, and the report was again signed by that same SP under her own signature. So can a person be a judge or an inquiry officer or deciding factor for his own inquiry? I have complained that what has happened with me on page number 96. Her statement, original statement is there. These things I never avoid complete 8 years. But because I just was thinking that, okay, intelligence gets sometimes hijacked by the hormones. So I was allowing her to whatever she wants to do. But now she is putting allegation, FIRs against me and my family. We are suffering for this cause. And I am today not arguing on these merits. I am arguing on the protocol integrity or the procedural integrity which family court was supposed to do. Because there was an order of 5th April for the COVID SOP. I have given that notification also in 12th July 2021. The order, family court itself says that there was an SOP. So the 3 dates which was conducted was violation of the High Court order. My lord, if that day was not been a Sunday, I was pretty sure that that family court judge would have conducted like 7th. He has declared ex parte. On 8th was a Sunday. 9th statement was recorded. 10th divorce decree passed. Within 3 days, I am in appeal from since last 4 years. with the High Court, and he within 3 days completed the trial. So, my lord, there should be some procedural integrity. If fairness has to be done in the justice, for injustice also some fairness should be there in the reasoning of the court. There was no fairness. Kindly see how he has conducted his own orders. If I will read, my lord, I am prevented not by the party, I was prevented by the SOP. See, 29th of April was the next date given on 12th of March. Now if you turn the page, you won't find any date order of 29th of April 2021. So if 29th April 21 there was no order sheet prepared, then how a party will get notice that the matter has been put up for this date? I will be on 29th of April.
What is this principal judge business date 29/4? 29/4 case goes to 12/7.
18 Jan, yes, 12/7 it was supposed to go, but on 18 June, kindly see, my lord, even if you may come to 5th of August, I will come chronological, then it will be better. 5th of April was also a date which was given in September, and the case was transferred to some other judge, but he rejoined and this order was changed and pen written, he called the file from the court. Or I don't want to put allegation on the judge, but if you might...
No, if it has been done, then we'll not ignore that.
Highly grateful, my lord. My lord, these all things
We'll
are
not
very
ignore that.
transparent on the e-website. 18.6 also, this matter doesn't get listed as per the Roznama. This was a private listing in the chamber, and it order also says from telephone it came in the to the judge this matter. So I didn't give an advance service of this. No notice was given to me. My lord,
Yes.
just take this paper which I just gave you, just turn the page, I will show you that this order went 12th of July, the principal judge is passing, he was not having the roster of this court. The matter got transferred from 7th June 2021 to from the principal judge to the second additional principal judge. So Mr. A.L. Joshi, Agarlal Joshi was not the judge who can pass any order in this matter.
So how you connect this document pages to your case? That is
I'm
the-
connecting, my lord. Kindly see the name of the judge.
Yes.
He was the principal judge, and the matter.
No, this document.
Yes.
This document
No,
is.
just turn that document. Backside. I just for the list. My lord, this is called e-app, e-court services app. In this, you have to go to the court. You put your case number. First, you go to your state, Chhattisgarh. You put the city, Raipur.
Yes, please. This is only thing we wanted to this. This is outcome of that particular
Yes.
case.
When you put your case detail, then you get your case with which branch it is, which courtroom it is, who is handling your case. So, my lord, may kindly see on 7th of June, this matter goes transferred to the 53rd second additional judge, principal judge, and this order of 18 June won't. My lord is on with me.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly connect these dates.